because of the situations I've experienced. I've been to so many church. I won't lie to you. And the pastor tells me, of course, calls Jesus and all of that. And at the end of the day, you find out that all these people calling Jesus, they are all diabolic. They would give you things that doesn't signify, he doesn't have any affiliation with God. When he sings is the best part for me. This is actually my second time in Zion. Yes. The first time I heard about Zion is through my friend, Anislik Beddings. So each time we're together, once it's 11 o'clock, she'll just, shift from where we are and then start praying and all of that. And I kept asking, who is this person that you're always praying with? And then one particular day, what really happened? She brought oil, and she said, this is from Ebuka. And then she gave it to me. Because of the situations I've experienced in the past, I've been to a lot of churches. I won't lie to you. At the end of the day, you find out that all these people calling Jesus, they are all diabolic. They would give you things that doesn't signify, he doesn't have any affiliation with God. And then they keep asking you for money and all of that. The field I'm in gets a lot of attacks. And then when I tell them this is what is happening, they'll say, don't worry, God is working. And I don't get to see anything happening in my life. And so because of that, I totally don't want anything to do with any pastor. I said to myself, I would be in my house and I'll pray to my God. The day he answers me, fine. I think it's best that way. What actually got my attention was my friend, Anislik, as usual, started the prayer session. And then the man of God was singing. I couldn't ask him, what thing they happen? Now the same man be this. He said, yes. I said, wow, I love his voice. And then I came closer. And then I saw Virgin Mary. I said, is it a Catholic? She said, yes. That got me interested the more. I said, wow, it is. I think I should just, listen with you. All of us were crying because that day was very, very intense. And after the prayers, it was as if all the problems that were worrying me had left me. I said, I was telling my friend there, I feel so light. I feel relieved. I think I really want to visit this church. So she now said the next week was the man's birthday. I don't stay here in Lagos. I had to book my ticket ahead of time. And then I came. What I love most about Zion is when the man of God sings. The angels always down everywhere. Everything is happening. When he sings is the best part for me. I don't know who talks say God no dey answer prayer. I don't know the person. But the truth is, if you meet a man of God who is really with God, and then he gives you prayers, I've met with men of God. They don't give me prayers. They'll just tell me, okay, don't worry, take this water can, take this, drink it, use this, wash your body, use this, do that. And they don't even tell me to abstain from some things, But I got to him when he was giving me prayers. He gave me psalms. I show you, you understand. He long. And when he gave me those psalms, he told me, abstain from all of these things. That was when I knew that actually I'm praying and I'm feeling it. Then when I met with the man of God face to face, he looked at me. And then he told me something that no one has ever told me. No man of God has ever told me. This is something that only myself and my mother know. Tears started gushing from my eyes. Unstoppable tears. That was when I knew that, yes, you see this place, I must get my blessing from here.